Hi students and friends, welcome to the channel Learn and Teach by Ayaz. The topic is food and digestion, grade on level 8 and learning outcomes are from the book International Lower Secondary Science Book 3 published by Marshall Cavendish Education. Here's a summary of the last lesson. Digestion involves the breaking down of large insoluble food molecules into smaller and soluble ones. Digestion is not simple process as it involves both physical and chemical processes and actions. It is important for food to be digested because the process of digestion helps in the conversion of large and insoluble food molecules into small and soluble molecules. Small molecules like nutrients can easily pass through the cell membranes into the cells. Physical digestion involves mechanical action. In physical digestion, large pieces of food are broken down into smaller pieces. Physical digestion involves only mechanical action. No chemical reaction takes place here. It is only breaking of big particles into smaller ones. In physical digestion, the type of molecules does not change. Physical digestion starts from mouth. Different type of teeth break down the large food molecules into smaller ones. For instance, incisors cut and slice food into smaller pieces. Molars grind and crush small pieces of food. Canine tear the food, etc. The muscles in the stomach also undergo physical digestion through continuous contraction and relaxation. The learning outcome for this lesson is to describe how the human digestive system helps in the digestion of food and the part played by enzymes in the digestion. In this lesson, I will talk about mainly about two things: different parts of human digestive system and enzymes. Here's a slide of human digestive system. This part is mouth. Digestion starts from mouth. Here is the teeth. These are the salivary glands. This is throat. This is gullet or esophagus. This is liver. This part is known as stomach. This is pancreas. Large intestine. This one is small intestine. And here is the rectum. And this part is known as anus. What happens inside the mouth when we eat food? Two processes are happening in our mouth. Our teeth tear and break down big food, pieces of food. Our teeth tear and break down big pieces of food into smaller ones. Our saliva produces enzyme. Amylase. That breaks down complex sugars into simple sugars or carbohydrates. Now I will talk about enzymes. What are enzymes? Enzymes are biological substances that speed up the reaction. Enzymes are biological substances that speed up the reaction. Our body produces these enzymes. Each enzymes act on specific type of nutrient. This is type. For instance, protease break down proteins into simple unit of amino acids. Lipase break down fats into simple units of fatty acids and cholesterol. Carbohydrates and amylase breaks down carbohydrates into simple sugars. What is peristalsis? The muscles in the gullet contract and relax. The muscles in the gullet contract and relax, producing a wave-like pattern. Which pushes the food along the esophagus to the stomach. The process is known as peristalsis. Here's a summary of this lesson. The salivary gland produces enzyme amylase that breaks down complex carbohydrates or sugars into simple carbohydrates. Enzymes are biological substances that speeds up the reaction. The muscles in the gullet contract and relax, producing a wave-like pattern which pushes the food along the esophagus to the stomach. This process is called peristalsis. Thanks for watching. Please like and share my video. For more videos, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.